Hi, this is Shukla and I'm here with NewsMobile Editor-in-Chief Saurabh Shukla here, and today, by the way, we are here to discuss the unprecedented move that has happened today by 4 judges of the Supreme Court, wherein they have written a letter to the Chief Justice of Supreme Court highlighting the anomalies and discrepancies that they have felt in the way judicial system has turned up as of in the present times. Saurabh, according to you, what is this whole issue? What is it that they have tried to present in the letter that they have written, and how do you see this impacting the entire judicial system in times to come?
Shukla, this is unprecedented that 4 sitting judges of the Supreme Court actually have a press briefing and then talk about it, their problems in open. This has never happened in the history of India. Judiciary is a key pillar of Indian democracy, and I think I see it as a very, very strong message coming out of these from these judges that they've tried everything which could have been a remedy. They've tried to speak to the Chief Justice as well, but they don't see their grievances being addressed. That's the reason why they have taken these extreme measures. But I would say it's a supreme crisis for Supreme Court, because this is something like this has not happened. We do expect, obviously, Chief Justice will react. We expect him to react and issue a statement as well. But I see for now a supreme crisis for the Supreme Court.
Right, because when I was going through the letter, it is very clearly mentioned there that the Chief Justice is the prime roster maker, and I think one of the issues that they are, the grievance that they are having against, is the fact that when the rostering is done for cases, for the key cases, especially when they have to move to benches, which is where the anomaly is coming in, are the benches that are supposed to take the call or are supposed to pass the judgment, they are being overridden, and certain other people are coming in to take the judgment, to make judgments. Now that is a big one, Saurabh. What do you have to say to that?
See, we have the highest regard for the Supreme Court and all the justices, Chief Justice and all the judges there. But I would say that Caesar's wife has to be above suspicion.
Right.
The fact that senior judges of Supreme Court have raised this issue, that's the reason why the Chief Justice, and along with that, even the government needs to think of a way out, because in India, Supreme Court is the apex court.
Absolutely.
It's the final court. So if there are any doubts which are raised of any form, this may have been either a misunderstanding or may have been maybe procedural. So the Chief Justice must come out and explain to the nation that this is what has happened, because otherwise what happens is, since these justices have spoken out, people tend to doubt, which should not happen, because in India, judiciary is considered very impartial. It's considered one of the final frontiers, so to say, to preserve Indian democracy. And these kind of allegations obviously do not serve the cause of judiciary.
What would also happen is, if, as you said, I think a statement needs to come out very quickly from them, because at the end of it, the common man would not understand the legal parlance so much. For them, it would then be the rumor mills that will keep working up.
Absolutely.
And the whole trust and the faith aspect in the highest form of judiciary system in the country is going to start getting questioned. And I don't think going forward in the days to come, that is something that we want to do, especially with a lot of high-flying cases that are being passed on to the Supreme Court.
And also, I would say that, in order for the highest court, the Supreme Court, to make sure that people trust it, make sure the judiciary continues to be the preserver of democracy, it's very important that a clarity is brought out on this case.
Yes.
We will, at NewsMobile, will make sure that we do see our stories on this, and we will explain it to you what it means for you. Stay tuned to NewsMobile for latest updates on this story and all the other stories. We'll keep you posted. Have a good weekend.
Right. Thank you.